Hi, it's Sunny from Reese Market. If you run a roofing company, you already know the quiet killers of a rep. Missed calls, slow follow ups, and after hours inquiries that vanish into voicemail. Today, I'm going to show you a simpler way to stop those leaks by installing a 24/7 AI receptionist that answers fast, sounds natural, books inspections, and updates your system without you or your crew lifting a finger. My promise is simple. You will leave with a clear plan you can copy, the confidence to act, and two paths forward. You can set this up yourself with the resources I'll share, or you can have us do it for you, fully done for you. Either way, you'll see how roofers turn more calls into booked inspections and more inspections into jobs. You might be wondering, will it sound robotic? Will it work with my current system? And what about those midnight, my roof is leaking now calls? Don't worry, we'll cover it all in plain language. Before I teach the framework, I want you to actually hear what this sounds like. This is a live demo of the AI answering, booking, and confirming just like a receptionist would.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hi, thanks for calling ABC Roofing. This is Hope. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need a quote.
Got it? I can help with that. Could you share the property address where the work is needed? This will help us provide an accurate quote.
Yeah, it's in 123 Main Street, Cleveland, Ohio.
Thanks for that. So that's 123 Main Street, Cleveland, Ohio, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Could you also let me know what type of roofing project or issue you're looking to get a quote for? For example, is it a repair?
So what times
replacement?
do you repair leaks or just do the replacements?
We handle both repairs, like fixing leaks, and full roof replacements. For
So,
leaks, we can treat.
Do you also service commercial? Do you also service commercial properties as well?
Yes, we do service commercial properties. Our offerings include roof installation, replacement, maintenance, restoration, and various flat roofing systems like TPO, PVC, and.
So,
Let me know if you'd like more details.
so when can somebody come?
Got it. You're asking about scheduling. Let me check the available appointment slots for you. One moment. Here are some available appointment slots on Tuesday, September 9th.
But
at
can
9
somebody
a.m.
before? I would like to talk to somebody before I schedule an appointment.
Got it. I'll make sure a team member reaches out to you to discuss your needs before scheduling anything.
So-
Could you please provide your phone number and the best time to call?
Yeah, my number is 123-456-6666.
Thanks. Your number is
Excuse me.
123-456-6666, correct? And when would be the best time for someone to call you?
They can call me today, later afternoon, maybe after 2 o'clock.
Got it. I'll note that you'd prefer a call today after 2 p.m. Is there anything else you'd like assistance with?
Yeah, could you also check available appointment if you have one? So while you do that, could you check those?
Sure thing. Here are the available appointment slots. On Tuesday, September 9th at 9 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and 2 p.m. On Wednesday, September 10th at 8 a.m. Let me know if any
I
of you
can
work
do
for you.
September 10, 8 a.m.
All right, I see we have your email as dce@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for Wednesday, September 10th at 8 a.m. If there's anything else you need, feel free to let me know.
So I think maybe you can help. So I'm trying to buy a car and I need to pick the color out of 3. I have silver, white, and blue. What would you pick?
That's exciting. Honestly, it depends on your style. Silver is sleek and timeless, white feels clean and modern, and blue adds a bit of personality.
What would you pick?
I'd probably go. If I had to pick, I'd go with blue. It's bold and stands out, but still classy. What
Yeah.
are you leaning toward?
Well, that's good. So how's your day going so far?
Thanks for asking. My day's going great. Helping people like you always makes it better. How about you? How's your day shaping up?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. So let them know if they call me after 2 o'clock, please.
Will do. I'll make sure they know to call you after 2 p.m. Anything else I can assist you
No,
with?
that will be all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling ABC Roofing. Have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Great. Now that you've heard it, let's walk through the 5-step system you can copy. Step 1, coverage. Start by mapping every way people reach you: phone, website, chat, text message, Facebook or Instagram, even Google Business Messages. Think of it like doors into your business. Right now, some of those doors are locked after hours. The goal is to keep every door open 24/7 so a homeowner never gets shut out. Step 2, voice. Homeowners don't hang up because it's AI. They hang up because it's stiff or confusing. We choose from over 200 natural voices and tune the phrasing so it actually feels like your brand. The trick is short, simple questions. What's the best number for you? And little pauses like one moment that make it feel human. The result? Callers relax, they book, and they don't go shopping your competitors. Step 3, booking. Messages don't pay bills, appointments do. Your AI should pull from your real calendar, avoid double booking, send confirmations, and even reminders so homeowners actually show up. Reschedules and cancellations? Easy. The end result is fewer gaps in your week and predictable workload. Step 4, integration. Data shouldn't live on sticky notes. Every call, appointment, and detail should land neatly in your system. If you've got a CRM, we'll connect it so your pipeline stays accurate. If you don't, no problem. We'll text the lead info right to your phone and give you a simple app to track it. Either way, no more rewriting notes or losing track of who called. Step 5, emergencies. Roofing emergencies don't wait until Monday morning. If a homeowner says leak or water pouring in, the AI instantly books the soonest slot, flags it as urgent, and alerts your team right away. You decide if that alert is by text, email, or even a direct transfer during set hours. The key is that the customer feels cared for immediately and you stay in control of the handoff. Those 5 steps: coverage, voice, booking, integration, and emergencies create a front office that never sleeps, never forgets, and never drops the ball. Let's talk about results. After hours calls stop slipping to competitors. Intake becomes consistent, which boosts show up rates, confirmations, and reminders cut down on no shows. And because every node is captured, your team always knows the next step. Now, if you've tried call centers or answering services before and been let down, here's the difference. This doesn't just take messages, it books jobs. Notes go straight into your system, so nothing gets lost. It scales when storms hit, and it sounds natural, like a real receptionist, not a robot. If you're concerned about privacy or compliance, here's how we keep it simple. Calls can be recorded for training and quality. All data is secure and access is controlled. And if anyone asks, we're clear that it's a virtual assistant. Transparency always wins. Now, if you prefer the done for you path, here's exactly what you get. No surprises. We start by mapping your services, tone, FAQs, and emergency rules. We choose your AI voice and fine tune it to sound like your brand. We wire your calendar with rules for travel time, buffers, reminders, and reschedules. We connect everything to your CRM or send it to your phone and app if you don't have one yet. We roll out not just phone and text, but also Facebook and Instagram DMs so leads from social don't slip away. We train the knowledge base with your FAQs, test across multiple scenarios, and then launch. Week 1, we check daily. After that, we review transcripts weekly and show you monthly snapshots so you know exactly what's working. We also support bilingual flows, English and Spanish, so you can serve a wider market. And yes, compliance basics like opt-outs and clear recording language are already built in. And here's the kicker. You get a 30-day free trial to run this in your world. No setup fee. After that, it's $500 per month plus a $97 software fee for the full voice plus conversation AI stack, ongoing monitoring and support. Others charge $500 to to $1,000 just to start. We don't. When you're ready, onboarding is simple. Choose your path on the site, and you'll get a welcome email with your dashboard, app access, and next steps. We'll pick your voice, map your calendar, and start testing right away. If you're the hands on type and want to learn the system, grab the free training and do it yourself by going to risemarket.co/resources. If you're busy and just want it live without the learning curve, we'll handle everything. Simply go to the link provided at www.risemarket.co/start. Please check your email. We will also send you all the details via email. And if you have more questions about the services or any other questions or concerns before you start, you can always send me a text message at my personal cell phone at 216-253-9487. Let's recap. You've heard the IE in action. You've seen the 5-step system that turns missed calls into booked jobs, keeps your notes clean, handles emergencies, and even covers social DMs. You know what's inside the done for you package, including the free trial, no setup fee, and straightforward $500 plus $97 plan. The first job this system saves during storm season will more than pay for it. So, your choice. Grab the free training and scripts at rismarket.co/resources or have us roll it out for you at rismarket.co/start. Thanks for spending this time with me. I'm excited to see you stop losing calls and start booking more roofs.